Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to code on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to code on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account. And from this interface guys, in order to code on Snapchat, we'll be quoting snap or video snap. So in order to do that, let's go to the messaging section of our account, and from over here just tap on the chat box of the person for whom you want to code, and let's open it. And over here guys, you can see the text messages. Now in order to quote a message of your friend or your friend, you can do it for your message as well as your friend. So to that, tap on the message and you can see this menu will appear where you will be able to see the snap reply option available for us. Tap on that snap reply, and over here guys, you can see the message quoted, but first you will be required to either take a snap or a snap video of yours. I'll be just taking the dark picture. I have covered the camera with my hand guys, so let's do this. It's just for a demo purpose, so I'll not be doing tedious stuff. So with that being said, you can maximize your code, you can relocate your code according to your snap or the message for which you want to code. And after that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the message icon available or the send icon available with your friend's name. Tap on it and you can see guys, the code has been sent on Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you code on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.